Install now. Then click in the second one, Windows Server 2022 Desktop Enterprise. Then go to next. Accept all conditions and click next. I'm choosing custom. And now we back to the Hetzner console. And mount the this volume. When it's properly mount, then you go back to console. Okay. Then you go to load driver. Go to browse. And this is the volume. And go scroll down. And this is the BIOS. Choose your Windows image. 2023, 2022, and choosing AMD. Then okay, next. Okay, it's my volume. Then I'm going back to my console and again I mount my Windows server. Then I back to console and delete all default folder. And then click new and then click new and by default and apply. Then you will see another driver will be created for you. Then click next. Now when this will be installed in server, it will be take some time. So I will be back in few minutes when it's completely done. Okay, welcome back. And server installing is properly done. Then everything will be automated. Don't click anywhere. Be patient. It will be take some time. So properly set up. So now I am creating the password for RDP. Must be choosing strong password, minimum 8 character. Either doesn't accept your password. When you creating your password, then check. Okay, everything is okay. Now I'm going to take it finish. Okay. Then click the control alt delete. Then put your password. and click enter. This is RDP, but we have a problem. In this RDP, the internet connection doesn't care, so we need to connect the internet. Before I connect the internet, I'm going to back to my console and back to my page, and again I am mount my SSD, volume SSD, because all drivers are here. Then I am back to again console, go to Windows menu, click right, go to device manager. Now you will see 4 driver is uninstalled, so right click and update driver, choose browse, go browse, and choose our SSD, volume SSD, then OK, then next. Now we will see our internet driver will be updated and internet connection will be connected. Let's see. Okay, I'm clicking yes. Three more driver are here. If you want to update this, you can, but this is not necessary. But I okay, my all driver is updated. Now I am closing the device manager, and again I am back to Windows menu. Right click, go to system, and scroll down to the remote desktop and on it. When I confirm that, this is my RDP now ready to use. If I am find my RDP remote desktop protocol, test my IP, and by default my username is administrator. I'm saving this and connect. Okay, put your Windows RDP password, then connect. Okay, this is my RDP. It's loading. So I'm going to full page. I'm closing everything. Now your RDP is ready to use. You can close everything.
Okay, this is our RDP. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video. Goodbye.